Our Black Friday sale is now available on the website for the remainder of the month. This will apply on the ebook, course and mentorship plans. Private message me on Twitter, links down below for more information, or head straight to the website. Welcome back everyone to another Nakamoto Games update. We have seen over the past 5 days since this breakout that we predicted over here, it's been absolutely melting faces, and we have now experienced since this breakout over here over a 50% move, I believe. Yeah, that's correct. And this is just happening in a matter of days. So a very exciting times ahead. In yesterday's update, I said that we did need a close above that highest wick, $1.93. It did actually come, and we met the 2 Fibonacci, and there's still some further targets to be met, as well as the $2.40 area, which is our next Fibonacci after we had of course reclaimed $1 and $1.24. We started to range over the past few weeks, and as soon as we broke through the golden pocket as well as the 786 fib 140, this is what's allowed us to start this move up all the way to $2.40. Now yes, there are no higher up 2 targets here, but as we're just playing between fib levels, we'd say once we broke through this and it's flipped into support, as we see over here, it's continuation until that target. We can of course have dumps along the way, and that could be from one of these levels over here. So in today's update, we're going to discuss all of this. Make sure you stay tuned and like, subscribe, comment and share so we can hit 7.5k before the end of this year. And I do have 2 days remaining on my discounts. Use the links down below to head to the website or Twitter for more information. So yes, the reverse wave was created. We've seen that we've met most of the targets. Now there are 2 final ones and a third one that's completely separate, just looking at a larger scale Fibonacci going from $1.24 to $2.40, so a nice 100% gain from this orange line down over here. But what was standing in our way, keeping the bears in control, was this 786 area, and luckily enough for you guys, I was able to essentially suggest this move down to hold the golden pocket and the moving averages, and then a further break of the 786 would send us flying back up. Now we did of course see the breakout we needed, which was a close above that point on the 4-hour time frame. That's all well and all, but now we are starting to come down as we met the 2 Fibonacci. So the next level of resistance beyond this point, quite annoying that was literally a cent above that point. But right now what is going on is that we're testing these lows over here to see if they can hold, not the lows but the moving averages. And as you can see in the past, as long as we're holding above the 20 EMA, we eventually continue higher. So this will just of course continue within an uptrend in the immediate short term. So the next following days should just continue high as long as we maintain above the price of $1.80. If we see 4-hour closes and confirmations that it is now resistance, then we're looking for a deeper correction back down to where we see these bodies over here. So what I'm going to do is mark this out from the price of $1.60 to $1.68. I'm going to make this purple as well right there. So all you essentially need to do for uptrend continuation is, even if we do lose this, which would say in the immediate short term we are now going down over the next day or so, this is as a second layer of defense. And we can see if we're just looking at the range anyway, this was the low that we had this bounce off of. So this is the most recent support, the most recent higher low of this uptrend. So as long as we maintain that, then we should just see bullish continuation, as well as the fact it's our second layer of defense being the 55 moving average. And only a deeper correction would begin once we lose this low, and it would pretty much be back down where we came from, where we started this initial impulse. So continue to hold above $1.63 and 68 for continuation if we do lose the 20, but as long as we're holding above $1.80, we're just going to keep continuing up. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hopefully Nakamoto Games can continue to melt faces, and there is potential for a further move of 33% up ahead to $2.40, which was a 100% move from this orange line, which is what we've now flipped into support over here. Very nice to see. So let me know in the comment section below if you believe we will continue pushing, or is a correction now needed for Nakamoto Games and the rest of alts. Cheers everyone. Like, subscribe, comment and share. And 2 days left of the discounts. Use the links down below. Our Black Friday sale is now available on the website for the remainder of the month. This will apply on the ebook, course and mentorship plans. Private message me on Twitter, links down below for more information, or head straight to the website. Cheers everyone.